Ever wondered if your winning trading strategy actually works before risking a single dollar? Let's dive into how you can test it today using TradingView's paper trading feature. First, head over to TradingView and navigate to the Markets tab up here at the top. This is where we'll find the gateway to practice trading. From the Markets menu, choose any asset you're interested in, like stocks or cryptocurrencies, and then click on Chart. This will bring us to the charting interface where the magic happens. Now, look at the bottom toolbar of your chart. You'll see a button labeled Paper Trading. Click on this to open up the paper trading panel. This panel represents your virtual trading account. If you're new, you'll need to connect to a simulated broker. TradingView offers several options, or you can use their built-in TradingView broker. For simplicity, we'll choose the TradingView broker and click Connect. This immediately sets up your demo account with a starting virtual balance. Now, it's time to simulate your trades. You can use all of TradingView's charting tools and indicators to analyze the historical data when you're ready. Open the order entry panel, either from the chart itself or the paper trading panel. Here, you'll select your desired asset, the type of order, the quantity, and the price. For our example, let's place a simulated buy order using the current market price. Once your order is placed, you'll see it appear in your paper trading panel as an open position. You can monitor its performance in real time, just as you would with a live account. To further refine your testing, use the Take Profit and Stop Loss features directly on your chart or within the panel. This allows you to simulate how your risk management would have performed. When you're ready to exit a trade, simply click the Close button. Your paper trading account will log this trade, showing your simulated profit or loss, allowing you to build a performance history. By repeatedly practicing your strategies on historical data without financial risk, you can identify what works, what doesn't, and optimize your approach. All thanks to TradingView's powerful paper trading feature. Start testing today and trade with confidence.